all. Today we are going to learn about 9th class lesson, Our Earth. In this lesson, we will discuss about movements of the Earth's crust and latitudes and longitudes and a grid system. Okay? Right. Now coming to that, movements of the Earth crust. Okay, here it is. Continental drift theory. Continental drift theory. Who proposed the theory? What he revealed that? Okay, first, the continental drift theory describes about the present form of how our oceans and continents are formed. So it describes about present form of oceans, how it is formed, and continents, how it's formed that. Who prepared that theory? Continental drift theory proposed by German meteorologist and geophysicist from Germany. So he revealed that theory in the year 1912. 1912 means 20th century only. Right? So according to this theory, 220 million years ago, look at the board, 220 million years ago, one and only supercontinent is there. It is known as Pangaea. Look at the board. That Pangaea is a Greek word, means whole land. Okay, so it was surrounded by, the Pangaea was surrounded by Panthalassa Ocean. Right? Next, over the time, 200 million years ago, that entire Pangaea was separated by Tethys Sea. So on the north side, it's known as Laurentia. The southern side, southern part of that Pangaea, known as Gondwana land. Laurentia is also known as Angara land. Gondwana land, it's belong to present India. You know, in the entire peninsular part of India, which South India, entirely belong to that Gondwana land. Okay. So next, what happened here it is. So next it is 135 million years ago. What will happen? What happened at 135 million years ago? That slowly some movements, some of the continents move towards to the directions and collide with the other plates or other continents, and some of the continents are merged and some of the continents are divergent movements also there, convergent and divergent. This kind of movements are happening in 135 million years ago. Okay, at the time, our Indian peninsular plateau region or Indian subcontinent, it is a part of Gondwana land. That means Indian southern part, it is the ancient landmass in the world. Understood? Next, 10 million years ago, at the time, present form of oceans and continents are formed that. Understood now? At the same time, what happened in 135 million years ago? The continents are moved and collide with each other, At the same time only Indian southern part means peninsular plateau region, it moved towards to the northeastern direction, means this kind of northeastern direction. See, this is east, west and is north and south. Here Indian subcontinent, southern subcontinent, it moved towards to this direction, northeast direction, and is collided the large Laurentia Plateau or Eurasian plate, collided with large Eurasian plate, and present form of our India is appeared present day. It takes some million years time to complete present position. Okay, so now, so what are the present continents are there? No? So these are belong to that Laurentia and Gondwana. We will discuss here. Observe here, Laurentia. It is also known as Angara land. So some of the present continents belong to this Laurentia only. What are that? Look at here. North America, Greenland, Antarctica, our India related. North India belong to that Laurentia only. Okay, and entire Eurasian also, Eurasian land, they also belong to that Laurentia. Right? So next it is Gondwana land. Some of the continents belong to that Gondwana. What are that? Here it is some of the important South America continent entirely, Australia and Indian subcontinent, southern part of Indian subcontinent. Okay, so next thing, East Indies. East Indies means what it is? Indonesia. It is also belong to that Gondwana part. Next one is Malaysia. This is also in the part of Gondwana land. And very important one, Africa and Madagascar. So these are belong to that Gondwana land only. Understood? Right. So now we'll discuss about that Earth's grid system. What is Earth grid system? You all know that you learnt already from 6th to 8th class, globe related matter, atlas related matter, and also latitudes and longitudes. You already learnt. Here, what is grid system? What is the use of that grid system? On a globe, if you observe on a globe, a network of latitudes and longitudes. Latitudes and longitudes. Here it is latitudes and longitudes. It's known as grid system. I'll show you grid where it is. Here, these are the latitudes. This is one grid. This is one grid. So what is the use of this grid system? Observe that what is the use? Location of the particular place and time and how hot it is, how cold it is the particular place, and how height it is, and where it is, lowland or highland. These are all we can know through grid system only. Present day we are using that Google Maps, through Google system, Google Maps. Through that also online we are observing and we can find out location through this grid system only. So right, now coming to that latitudes and longitudes. So what are the latitudes and how many are there? how it is there, what is the use of that, you all will learn. Okay, look at the board. Latitude. The latitude, the word derived from Latin. The English word latitude. Okay, so word derived from that Latin. So what is that Latin meaning? That is width. Width means width only. Right? So how it is there latitudes? These lines, if you observe in the map, these lines are shown the width of the map. And how many latitudes are there? Totally 180 latitudes are there. If equator added in them, equator means 0 degree latitude. If add that 0 degree latitude, then it's called as 181 latitudes. How many are there? 181. How it is? Look at the board and picture. You can look at this. Here it is. Look at this picture. Here you can observe that there are latitudes are drawn here from north side and some of them south side. So latitudes are the circles and latitudes are the parallel lines. Parallel lines. Observe here, 0 to 90 degrees. How many are there? 90 latitudes are there in the north, and 0 to 90 in south. 90 latitudes are there. These latitudes represented as a symbol, one symbol there. What are the symbols? For north and south, NS. These are the symbols. So it is means the particular latitudes are designed symbols or represented some symbols. 90 degrees, for example, 90 degrees north latitude, 90 degrees south latitude. What are the names of that? Different names there. According to that latitudes, according to place, different names are there. 90 degrees latitude known as North Pole. 90 degrees south latitude known as South Pole. But one latitude means which latitude does not have any name. Do you know it is? What it is? 0 degree latitude doesn't have any name. See, here it is 0 degree, not mentioned. 23.5 degrees north latitude, very important latitude, and here also 23.5 degrees south latitude. The names are there, names. 23.5 degrees north latitude is called as Tropic of Cancer. This one is Tropic of Capricorn. Different names are there. 66.5 degrees north and 66.5 degrees south. This is in the north, 66.5 degrees north is known as Arctic Circle. 66.5 degrees south is known as Antarctic Circle. These are different names. These are the important latitudes. And very important point, all the latitudes are the points at poles. North Pole. See, if you draw on the globe or in the world, see that circles, if you draw the circles, if you take a ball, example, if you take a ball, if you draw that, then finally in that north, the top of the north, it's represented as a point. Understood? Similarly, north and south, south pole and north pole. So those are points only, points. Very important. So next, observe here, no latitude than 0 nor greater than 90. This is also important, right? So next we'll go to that another important one. So these latitudes and longitudes are expressed in degrees, minutes and seconds. Look at the board. Degrees, minutes and seconds. Both latitudes and longitudes expressed in this way. Next, how many longitudes are there? Here it is. Observe, 0 degree latitude is known as equator. How many longitudes are there? There are 360 longitudes are there. First, so what is the word derived from longitude? The word derived from Latin word. What is the meaning of that? Length. Length. Next, here you can see how many longitudes are there. Look at the board. There are 360 longitudes are there. 360. That mainly Earth was dividing into two equal halves according to the longitude, 0 degree longitude. Separate the Earth into two equal halves. Here you can see 0 degree longitude. It's known as Greenwich line, also known as prime meridian. Why it is called Greenwich line? Because it passes through the Greenwich city. It is London. Standard time, international standard time, it is called GMT, Greenwich Mean. Start from London at 12 noon. GMT starts at 12 noon. Keep in mind, very important, 12 noon. Not in the morning, not in the night. 12 noon, exactly. So sun is on the head. Sun is on the head only at the time, 12 noon. Keep in mind. So next, here it is 0 degree longitude, separate the two equal halves. The Earth, one is from 0 to 180 degrees east longitudes, at 0 to 180 degrees west longitudes. Totally east longitudes 180, west longitudes 180. Totally 360 longitudes are there. Observe here, 360 longitudes are there. So these are all longitudes which are connected. Observe that map. Observe this picture. Here from all the longitudes are connected from North Pole to South Pole. Very, very important. All the longitudes are connected from North Pole to South Pole. Okay. So these are also called as, these longitudes are called as meridian lines because noon. Meridians means noon. Also known as noon lines or meridian lines. So these lines, longitudes, also known as semicircles. We already discussed latitudes means circles. So these are semicircles, means half circles, not complete, which connect from North Pole to South Pole only. Similarly, here it is. Observe that latitude related 0 degree equator, which separate the Earth into two equal halves. Which separate the Earth into two equal halves. In this 0 to 90, it's called Northern Hemisphere. 0 to 90, it's known as Southern Hemisphere. You already learned in 8th. Next, similarly, in that longitudes, 0 degree longitude means prime meridian. The 0 degree longitude prime meridian, which separate the Earth into two equal halves. So one is from 0 to 180 east, 0 to 180 west. So 0 to 180 east means eastern hemisphere. 0 to 180 west means western hemisphere. Exactly, our India is located in eastern hemisphere according to the longitudes. Similarly, our India is belong to according to the latitudes. India is located in northern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere, draw here. Okay, you can see that 0 degree equator passes through south of India, south side of the India. It does not touch to India, near to India only. Understood? Right. So now, here it is 180 degrees, 0 degree longitude. We know that it appears in that picture. 0 degree longitude. So exactly opposite of the 0 degree longitude, it's known as anti-meridian. It's known as 180 degrees east-west longitude. The same place, east-west longitude. East-west longitude is known as international dateline. International dateline. Understood? If anyone comes from, according to that longitudes, if anyone comes from west to east, if anyone comes from west to east, so they have to add one day. They have to set their time. Similarly, if anyone comes from that east to west, they have to reduce date, because it is date line, international date line. Observe Atlas book. Observe Atlas book. International date line passes through Bering Strait and Pacific Ocean. Okay, right? So now, so what is IST? IST means Indian Standard Time. So what is our Indian Standard Time? 82.5 degrees east longitude is our Indian Standard Time. Understood? So number of longitudes passes through India. 30, nearly 30 longitudes are passes through India. But one longitude passes through center of India. So it is called 82.5 degrees. Indian government decided that 82.5 degrees east longitude is our main longitude of India. According to that IST, Indian Standard Time it is. So every state, Indian state follow that Indian Standard Time. Whether they are in Arunachal Pradesh, whether they are in Gujarat area. But time difference is nearly 2 hours. But everyone follows that Indian Standard Time. Similarly, every country follows its own time, means one standard time. Pakistan Standard Time, PST. Indian Standard Time, IST. So, according to country, names are there. Now, other than that, GMT also there. GMT means what? Greenwich Mean Time, or otherwise Greenwich Meridian Time. Here it is also called as International Time or International Standard Time or Greenwich Mean Time. Okay, right? Here it is according to the Greenwich time or Indian IST Standard Time. So India is ahead of 5.5 hours when compared to Greenwich time. Our Indians are in the forwarding position when compared to Greenwich. Suppose in Greenwich 12 night, in Greenwich time 12 night. So what is exactly in Indian time? It is 5.5 hours, means 5 5.5 hours ahead. India is timings. So that's why our Indian time, our Indian clock shows that 5:30 a.m. Do you understand my point? So similarly, we have to calculate that. Now discuss about EGA. EGA means East Gain Add, and WLS means West Lost Subtraction. According to this, so when you travel from east to west, you gain time of 4 minutes as you cross every longitude. But if you traveling from west to east, you lost 4 minutes as you cross every longitude. Okay? Right. Again, observe that how many time zones are there. How many time zones are there? There are 24 time zones are there. How? The scientists are dividing that 24 time zones based on the longitudes, based on the globe. How many longitudes are there? Here 360 longitudes are there. In the 360 longitudes, 15 degrees each longitude. Very important. If you want to cross from one latitude to another latitude, it takes 4 minutes time. Similarly, if you cross that 15 longitudes, how much time it is? 15 into 4, 60 minutes are there. Exactly, our scientists are designed that every 15 degrees longitudes, so they set here one time zone. Similarly, 360 longitudes are there. So totally, how much it is? There are 24 zones are there. Understood? Okay. Thank you. మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, అండ్ ఫైనల్లీ క్లిక్ ఆన్ ది బెల్ ఐకాన్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.